Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. I'm excited to share with you how you can create your own foam stamps to decorate wrapping paper for any occasion. So let's get started. I've shared how you can create your own foam stamps with Cricut, but today we're going to show you how you can do it with a Sizzix Big Shot and some dies. I'm actually going to be creating some wrapping paper for a present I'm going to give to my mom, so let's get into it. For today's project, I'm going to be using my Sizzix Big Shot as well as a Bigz die. Now these dies are great for all sorts of materials and they're really good for cutting through thick materials, which we're going to do today. The way I'm going to show you is with craft foam. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this down into smaller pieces to cover the Bigz die so that I can just get the design that I'm looking for. I'm going to cut it a few times because we're going to want to make sure that this craft foam is thick enough to have some dimension for a stamp. I want to make sure the 3 stacks of foam here doesn't shift, so I'm just taping it down. And with the Sizzix Big Shot, you need to make a sandwich using 2 cutting pads. One's going to be underneath it and one's going to be on top, and that's all we need to use these Bigz dies. I'm going to go ahead and put it through a couple of times because we are cutting thick foam. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. And then we're going to repeat the process for the hearts. Now that we've cut all the pieces that we need, we're going to go ahead and compile them on top of each other. And I want them to stick to each other, so I'm going to use my Xyron sticker maker. You could also use glue or adhesive roll, tape roll, but this is easiest. So what we're going to do is to start with the lips. I'm going to go ahead and put it inside this tape roller. And the way this works is you insert the item in between the sheet here and push through, tear off, and then you rub it and remove the carrier sheet and the top sheet, and the back will become a sticker. So then I can stick it on top of another one. And then I'm going to do the same thing again. And you don't have to do it this way if you find some thick enough craft foam. I'm just using what I had on hand. So this is going to work for what we need. And then I'm going to put it one more time because I'm going to stick it on a stamp plate so that we can stamp. There's 1 stamp done, and then I'm going to do the same for these now. And I'm just putting them a little offset like that. Probably reposition that a little bit. So we have a little bit of a pattern going on here. So when I stamp, that's how it's going to look. So we have our lips and our hearts. I'm going to use black and red ink. We're going to use the red first. With the craft foam, you can use baby wipes to wipe in between. So we'll be doing that so that we don't have as much ink transfer. I'm going to use my stamp pad underneath my paper. And the beauty of this project is you can do it any way you want, with any shapes you want. I'm just creating this wrapping paper for my mom. I'm going to wrap the gift I made for her, or I got for her. And of course I wanted to personalize it with a little bit of crafty wrapping paper. There's one kiss. And it is a stamp, so it's okay if they're not all entirely even. That's what makes it fun and crafty, handmade. And then we'll go ahead and wipe it. You'll see that the craft foam stains, but you just wipe it and let it dry, and you should be okay for your next stamping. And now I'm just going to do one heart. The wrapping paper, super cute. So let's wrap the present. And that's it, super cute DIY wrapping paper made with foam stamps and your Sizzix. If you have any questions, drop them below. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.